What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. And as titled, today's video is going to be about how I maintain and keep my long locks looking fresh. And also I'm giving you a 1 month update because it's been a month since I had these locks in my head. So I'm going to start off by giving you like a 360 of what my hair looks like. As you can see, like the locks are already starting or have that appearance of like old locks, and they look super natural. I've already had like people come up to me and ask me how long have I had locks and things of that nature because they look mad natural. So sometimes at the roots you get new growth, it starts to get all frizzy and dusty, and you don't want that. So I'm going to show you guys how to take care of that and how to make it look all fresh looking. Being with this hair, like I love the length and everything, but it does get annoying because it's so long, especially when it's time to go to sleep or shower. It's like, oh my gosh, I have to pick up all this hair just so I can go to sleep and just so I can shower. So it is kind of annoying type thing, but I do love it. It's super soft and lightweight, like I said, natural looking, so that's a plus for me. I'm not ready to take them out yet. I am going to do something with them, so be on the lookout for that video. Now, as far as refreshing, I do have a video on how I refresh knotless braids, and I do take out the whole braid and just redo the whole front all over again. But in this case, I'm not doing that. What we're going to start off by doing is doing these right here. So we're going to be doing the front mainly and down the middle. So all of these pieces right here. Okay, and the rest of these I'm just gonna tie them to hold them in place so that I don't mix anything up. So these are the locks we're working with. Let's do this one first. So what you're going to need is some clips, like these type of clips. These are fine. Any type of gel, if you want to use beeswax, you can go on ahead and use that, but I personally prefer to use gel. And you're going to need like an edge brush, a toothbrush, any little brush of your choice, okay? So what I do is I go ahead, I apply some gel on the back of my hand, and I go ahead and fix my edges. Then once I do that, I do grab some gel, put it right here, and I just twist it. Then I grab my edge brush again, and I brush the hair into it so I can twist that hair into this. So then what you're gonna do is grab a clip. You're going to grab a clip and just clip it. And then I just fix the edges again. Okay, so it's kind of like if you're doing someone's twist on their head, like natural twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out. Okay, we brush the edges here. I'm gonna brush this inward. Okay, grab some gel, put it here, and I'm going to twist my own hair. And I'm going to hold it down with a clip. Okay, so that's how I make it look fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time. This one really doesn't have any edge hair that I'm gonna put in there, so I'm just gonna twist it. Okay, so once I have everything twisted up and refreshed, I'm then going to go ahead and just blow dry it really fast with some cool and warm air from the blow dryer, and then I'm going to go on ahead and show you guys what I do next. Once these feel dry, I then go ahead and take the clips out. And this is the difference it makes, like twisting the hair. Just a few minutes ago, in this area, we had a whole bunch of hair sticking up. Now it looks all flat down. Okay, so what I go on and do next is I use this Rasta Locs and Twist spray. It's Jamaican mango and lime maximum relief no more itch grow spray. So it helps soothe dry and itchy scalp, longer locks faster, non-greasy formula, moisturizes, help prevents breakage. You definitely want all of those things. This hairstyle does tend to make your hair feel itchy, and I really do hate that, so I do spray this in my hair on occasions. So I just go ahead and spray it. Got that all in there. My scalp is starting to feel cool and tingly. Now my favorite part is the mousse. I'm using the Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco Style and Shine foaming mousse. So I do a couple pumps. And I mainly just put it on the top area, because I do usually wear my hair down. For the most part, I like hairstyles with my hair down. So I like for this part to look nice and clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the blow dryer again, not that long, but just so this can be like damp and not so much like a wet. So as you guys noticed in the clip, I was drawing towards the direction I wanted the hair to lay down. So if I want the hair to lay down this way, I'm facing the blow dryer this way. And if I want the hair to dry this way, I'm facing the blow dryer in that direction. And that's so I don't create any unwanted like frizz or anything like that. So this is the final result. This is just like a refresh so it doesn't look so dusty. Okay, so if you guys would like to see how I wrap my hair at night or sleep and shower with super long locks, make sure to check out part 2 of how I maintain my locks to see how I do that. Until next time, mucho besitos.